Hey guys, Sandy here, and I am showing you my February kit for the love of homemade kits. Now, everything is just piled here on my desk, but let me get to it and show you what I have. Okay, now I took some liberties with some things and I added some extra things to the kit. So, we have some large multicolored florals. I have this one from Hello Again from Echo Park. I have Beautiful Life, again from Echo Park. And then I have this floral from Chamel's Little by Little. Now, together, they don't really go. They have similar colors, though, so that's what I was looking for. Similar colors, because I don't want every single sheet of paper to go with every other single sheet of paper, because I don't want everything in my kit to look the same. If I wanted it to look the same like that, I would just scrapbook out of one collection, but I want to be able to have different options, so this is the plan. Next, I needed 3 colors of cardstock. So I did grab some cardstock. I have white cardstock, and then I also have kind of like this orangey, and then I have this yellowy cardstock. And like I said, it won't go with everything, but I'm not looking for matchy-matchy for everything. I'm looking for similarities. So I have text background paper. So I have this one from Old World Travel, which is kind of like a scripty one. I have For the Record 2. This is text and map prints and all that kind of stuff. And then I have newsprint. Which is this one, and this is from For the Record. Next, we needed a pattern paper with at least 3 colors. So I grabbed this. Now this is an old one. This is from Imaginess. It is from 2011. It has these green dots. Then I have another Hello Again, and could use either side of this. I could use the dots or the chevron, but the chevron is what caught my eye, so we'll put that up. And then from Little by Little again, I have this wood grain multicolored one. So I'll put that there. Next, I needed grid or ledger paper. So I took some liberties. Now this is kind of like a diamond pattern, but to me it looks like a grid that was slanted, so we're gonna go with that. Then I have this ledger paper from, and these are both from She's Magic. And then I have this green leather ledger paper here. Now I did add in 2 just sheets of other papers that I liked that I wanted to bring in. And then I forgot, I also have some khaki colored cardstock. And for those of you not in the know, khaki colored cardstock is craft cardstock. So I'm going to bring these down so you get a little bit of better look at them. Okay, so next, mixed media. We need acrylic paint. So I got my big titanium white Liquitex, and that's because I can add this to any of my acrylic paints to lighten them up if I need to. I have these chalk acrylics from Paper Artsy in stone and in marbles, and these are both opaque ones. I also have from Artsy this mint green metallic paint. And I also have from Bria Reese this gold heavy body acrylic. So those are the acrylic paints. Now I was a good girl and only pulled out 1 geometric stencil, and that is this circle stencil, and this is from Brutus Monroe. So for alphabets, we needed an alphabet that had a print on it, like a pattern on it. So I pulled out this Dear Lizzie called Treasure, and it has a little bit of a newsprint on it. And I do have 2 of these, so I brought them both out just in case I ran out of letters here. Then for my small sized alphabet, tile or small sized, I pulled out this wood grain one, and this is actually from Christmas. I probably will not use any of the Christmas stuff, but that might. Well, maybe we'll do something like home or family time since we're doing family embellishments. So we have that. Now my stamps. So I have this little key ring of Citrus Twist stamps, and I would say a majority of these have never been touched. So I just grabbed this and made it a mission to to stamp something from every single one of these. So I have those. Now, sequins. Sequins is fun. I pulled out 3 sequin mixes. I have Belle's Ball. These are all from Spiegel Mom Scraps, by the way. I have Belle's Ball. I have Earthly Treasure, which has some wood veneer hearts, some wood veneer sequins, and some great colors in there. And then I have Hexaglam, which is just this beautiful gold sequin mix. So we have those. So for washi tapes, I grabbed a bunch of washi tapes as well. Make sure I have them all here. Yep. Whoops. Slinging my supplies, people. Okay, so I have these washi tapes. One is a glitter tape, one is a khaki diagonal stripe, one is like an aqua one. I have this floral, this pink one, this gold heart on teal, and then this dot one. So we have all of those washi tapes. And next, what is on the list? Family themed embellishments. So I took a little bit of liberty with this one, you guys. This says family, friends, home sweet home. So these are some compliments from close to my heart. So I pulled those. I have these, the story of our family chipboard. So this is obviously truly family embellishments. So we have those. I pulled these thickers out called Casey because it has family, love, home, that kind of thing. So I felt like those could be totally appropriate for family. Then I have some family stickers. So I have I love family, just be you. This really isn't family, but I felt like there was a lot of things that fit with the theme, like tags or labels. There's labels here, small alphas, so I just pulled this one. And then this one is I love family as well, and then there's more alphas on here if needed. I'll just tuck those there. Okay, and then I pulled some more embellishments. I have some Pink Fresh, layered stickers, and some chipboards. I have these gold hearts here because hearts is one of the thing, and I just figured this would be fine to have all of them. And then these thickers called Recollection. And then I brought in tags as well, even though it said tags or labels. You know, I'm doing both. So I have these khaki colored tags with gold glitter. I also have the hearts. I have more hearts. I brought in these wood veneer bad boys here. And I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this kit because the usual thing that I use for my kit still has my December daily stuff in it because I'm not finished that yet. So I have wood veneer hearts. I also have puffy hearts from Rosie Studio. There's actually 2 different types in here, but they're both from Rosie Studio. So I have those. And then I just pulled in a couple more embellishments that I thought would be good for a family. So we have those. Then I have this cork that says Our Story, this wood veneer Love. And that is it, you guys. This is my homemade kit. Can't wait to make some stuff.